hear those pops, bro? Pop, 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 pop. What's going on, my friends? I don't know what I just did, but yeah, today is going to be a very exciting day. I've been waiting to test this bike for over a month now, I think. Maybe not a month, but that's how long it feels. Probably one of my dream bikes is a GSXR 1000, so I can't wait to take this one for a spin. Of course, this is at the Veteran Bikes. You can check him out. Sells awesome bikes, beautiful bikes, as you can see. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and leave a like, comment, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, but just just check out this beautiful bike. Yeah. Okay, the first thing that I want to see and hear on this bike is the pipe. Yo. Holy shit. Yeah. Yo, this is gonna be lekker. Okay. So what do I think about the bike so far? Wait, let me lane split. Definitely. The only 1000 I ever ridden was the Honda CBR, just the previous two videos that you guys saw. This sitting position is really way more upwards than the Honda, I can say. Another thing I can say about this bike is this exhaust is really loud. I'm thinking of wearing earplugs of riding this beauty. Finally a red light so I can talk. Yeah, so far, like I said, the seating position is a bit more upwards for me, but it's more comfortable for me because I'm really tall. So yeah, I like it really a lot. The clutch on this one is really sensitive. I will not say sensitive, like it takes really fast, like it takes, you don't have the little space to play with your clutch. And further, the brakes, I haven't tasted the back brakes yet. The front brakes is a bit soft, but yeah, this is a beautiful sounding bike. How the hell. Yeah, it is. Oh, that's crash opens. Hello. But further, I don't see any problem in this bike. That's a steering damper. I'm so happy about that. But yo, if you want a bike that turns people's heads towards you, with sound and beautiful with looks, yo, there's, oh shit. Oh, there's a biker friend. Hallo. Hij wil niet van mij whiny. Okay. You guys think I must whip it? I think I must. Let's go. This thing goes, eh? This thing literally, it pulls more than the Honda, I think. But yeah, equally, I can't really compare. It's two different bikes. Whee! You see, now I'm in front, so now there's not going to be cars, and now I can zoom. Just hear those pops, bro. Pop, 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 pop. Sounds so beautiful. like when you ride this bike, like I've been riding it for how long now? Maybe 10 minutes, 20 minutes? No, not even that long, like 10 minutes, yeah. I'm already used to the clutch. So even if the clutch takes, like there's no, like I said, there's no place to play with the clutch, you get used to it, and then you just ride the bike like that, because you know it's not that difficult. Yeah guys, that was the riding review of this GSXR 1000. Yeah, I must say, compared to the Honda, it's a bit heavier, but it rides more comfortable for me than the Honda, because I sit a bit more upwards on this thing, which is nice for me because I'm really tall, but not too much, you know. So, but overall I love this bike. Yeah, this thing sounds beautiful. The amount of times, I'm not gonna put it in a video, but the amount of times people ask me to rev this thing is insane. So yeah, if you're a fan of GSXRs, you can look at the vet. He has a beautiful one here. This thing is stunning. And also to note, it has a steering damper, like I said. There it is in the video. Yeah guys, imagine the amount of bikes you would have if you just had the money. Oh, and it has shorty levers. It has shorty levers. Nice blue ones, little light blue ones. It goes nice with the color. And still stock, what do you call it, mirrors? I don't know what exhaust this is. I think it's Akrapovic, but I'm not sure. Yes, it has Michelin tires on. That's really fucking good tires. So, but overall, really good bike, really nice to ride, really fast. Like holy hell. This one, it pulls better for me than the Honda. But to be honest, it is a 2014. So yeah, but I love this bike. Come check it out if you want to. It's for sale for 100k. Yeah, 100k, 2014 to 42,000 kilos on it. And yeah, you guys have a lovely one, lovely day, lovely week, and be safe, ride safe, wear your gear. Peace.